So after I do the rub out, then I wash it off with this wax wash remover. So that works pretty well, I think. I've got some more area to do here. Get a little bit more of the oil. So with that final coats of the de-waxed lawn shellac, I've got a little bit more protection, but I don't worry too much about shellac. If something happens, some water stays on here for overnight or something like that, then I can just get out the shellac and rework the area pretty easily. Don't have to work the whole thing over. It's just that area you can fix and blend it in. So that's the beauty of shellac, I think. So now I just get all that Rottenstone off of there with towels and rags, and then that wax remover helps to get this off. But you get the idea of the final process here.